Hello, sir. What is your name?
My name is Mohammad Janatul Saim. You may address me as Saim.
Okay. So, Saim, sir, where are you from?
I'm from Jamalpur, and Jamalpur district is a district in Bangladesh, and it's a part of Mymensingh division. And it was established in 1978 during the rule of Ziaur Rahman, and it is located on the bank of the Maitri Brahmaputra River.
Okay. So, sir, why did you came in English fantasy?
I came here for learning English, and basically I want to go abroad. And if I want to go to abroad, I have to make sure my IELTS band score and good IELTS band score. And that's why I came here, and I want a good IELTS band score.
Okay. So, sir, what is your future ambition?
My future ambition is, first of all, be a good person, and another one is a good businessman, a successful businessman. And in my village, there are so many poor people. They didn't provide their children to quality tuition fee. And if I able to, I'll give the opportunity.
Okay. So, what is your educational background?
Recently, I completed my SSC examination from Mymensingh, and my group was science.
Okay. So, how do you wanna help that kind of people who is in bad condition right now?
Okay, if I get this opportunity and if I able to, I will give them much money, enough money. If I get enough money, I will give them, and I will give this opportunity to them to study properly. If they want to go to abroad, I will help him. If they want to get a business, I will help him.
Yeah.
And
So, sir, this is the end of your speaking test, and you have done well. Your sentence structure is quite good. And if I want to say something, you just have to focus on little bit grammar. Then you will be able to get more than 6 or 7
yes, sir.
in speaking.
Thank you, sir.